Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll see in this video how to download music from YouTube to MP3. So guys, if you ever found a song on YouTube that you loved and wanted to listen to it offline, yeah, wanted to use in any YouTube, then this video is for you. So today I'm showing you how to download music from YouTube to MP3. So guys, you can see over here, just go to the one your profile icon. So once you are logged in, then go to the YouTube studio here. You can just click on that. And after that, just go to the left side and you can see over here audio library. Go here. And here you go. Guys, you can see there are many YouTube songs which you can go and download. So let's example, if you want to listen, you can just go and click on here. And if you want to just I wanted to download the same song, just you can see, just come right and you can see over here, just go and hit on that download and then download started begin. And after that, if you want to just to find this download section, then go to the file explorer and here you can just go to the download. Yeah, you can see over here. So now after that, whatever you want, you can use. Yeah, you can, if you want to listen, you can go and listen. So this, yeah, this simple as that, guy. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.